I don't know if we can see that properly, but that's bloody pathetic, I suppose. Getting closer. That's the monitoring of the system. Yeah, I don't know if we can see that anyway, but I don't care. Here's our solar setup from the top of the shed. Up there we have 6 panels all in parallel, and we have a set of 3 and 3 going to these step down buck converters. There's 2 of them, and they're producing 13.2 volts each. I've tried very hard to get them to the same settings, but that's okay. It's 13.2 volts going into a 1000 watt inverter from Supercheap Auto. I've got 2 packs of capacitors in a system to take out the surge that the fridge has when it's trying to start. Now I've got an old battery and my John Deere lawnmower battery. It's all hooked up to the inverter so as it takes out the lumpy bits. But so far I'm just going to read this to you. I don't know if you can see it. We're running at 2.5 amps at the moment, approximately. The fridge is off. Volts is 13.25 volts, and it's still sending 33 watts into the batteries. I don't know about that. Our amp hours are 6 amp hours, 78 watt hours, maximum amps 20 amps, maximum volts 12.7, and maximum watts was 260 watts to start the fridge, which is, I don't know, 3 or 4 times over its size. It runs at 50 watts, maximum of 100 watts on defrost mode. But anyway, that's where we're at. We've got 6 panels. It's a cloudy, dingy day, and yet it's running okay. So yeah, we got 20 something amps out of it when the fridge starts. So that's our system at the moment, and we're rocking and rolling with sun from down under. There you go.